Hi, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review. I guess part 2 is really the somewhat more of the unboxing box thing. Yeah, I just had made a note on part 1 about this dude and, his prices, how I heard that he doesn't treat his crew that great, that everything's way overpriced again, and you really can't find a show and stuff. But yeah, let's get to the actual review and look at the actual tool. Now, it can stand up and sit like that. Now, yeah, I guess it can on that side. Here's his logo on there. You really can't see on camera, bud. I'll try to get it to focus. Come on, focus. There we go. So there's his logo, Gerber name, and this side, the BG for Bear Grylls. So yeah, not really sure which side it's which. Okay, I figured it out now. The one that has the little bottom piece, that's gonna go the other way. So I'm just gonna try open things up. He has a really deep gouge in here. Unlike weather pot knives that just had a little narrow, thumb opening, this one is like really deep and gouged in there. I mean, it does look fit and feels fit, you know. Because other ones, when I see they make their tools, it's like real thin pieces of metal for the tool. I looked at it, I'm like, did they really make it out of like sheet metal? Did they make it out of like a piece of paper? Is this supposed to be like some origami type of thing? Because it's thin and it's just like, just stick your nail in there and pull out. This one, it's a deep gouge and it's fit. So I guess I'll give him a plus on that. Not really sure what the heck. Oh, that thing opens up odd. That's weird. So you have this little thing right here to put your thumb on. But yeah, look how this thing opens up. I'm just gonna hold it here for a second. It's stupid. I mean, there's not enough leverage in there to really work it to push it out. You actually have to really take this one out first. Get your thumb in there a little bit, and then reach your index finger in there to really grab it. So thumb and index finger. I don't like how there's no little fingernail groove on there. Like how, this one has a fingernail groove. No fingernail groove on this one. Makes it hard to get the blade out. This piece is just stupid. Oh, would you like that? His name is on there. BEA. Yeah, I don't even see the E on it. It just says, maybe it is on it. I don't know. Look like he wrote it real sloppy on there compared to like everything else. He has his name and logo on there. It just looks sloppy. This front part of the blade is fit and it's blunt. I mean, you can't really use it in a survival situation to do a stab type of stabbing thing. Like if you're attacked by an animal or a bear, nope, you can't stab. I mean, you could, but I mean, I could get the same results with a sharpened stick, with a rock tied to a stick. Just picked up arrow and doing it. Well, this arrow doesn't have the flat piece on there. This one's the pointed version of arrow. But you get what I was saying. Pretty much, maybe even with a fishing rod. I mean, yeah. The only real blade is down here. I can feel it. It's sharp, but it does not feel super duper sharp. I mean, I just barely knit that. Let me put some force on it. Okay, that is with downward force being pushed downward as I'm driving it back, and it barely cut it. And it kind of bowed and bent out a bit. I mean, this blade is 100% useless. Unless maybe you're peeling an apple, doing some apple or some potato peeling, then oh boy, this blade is the best blade. But other than that, it's a useless blade. Maybe if you're whittling and just trying to strip some bark off of a branch, I'm real good for that. But for actually using it as a knife to like cut some paracord or anything else, I don't even think even sharpening this, it'll be a halfway decent blade. I mean, blade wise, he should have went to sharp point. He should have went with the fingernail assist. You know, instead of this weird, stupid, jacked up thing that he has here. Made a better edge of the blade is just garbage. Then we have this, which is our forehead, which, I guess it's roughly around the same that I see other pot knives that has foreheads, and our bottle opener. And then last but not least, for the inner part of tools, is this, which is, what the hell was this? Number 2 and 5. So this serves both as our flathead screwdriver. Wait, no. I'll let that on. Okay, on this side we have our flathead and we have our bottle opener for the big one. The small one, which is number 4, is our can opener. So, for head screwdriver, bottle opener, just can opener. But I guess you could use that somewhere as a screwdriver if you had to. And then, of course, we have, not sure which one's on which side. And these things are a bit hard to pull out. Our little itty bitty mini tweezers. I mean, time you get there to push the tweezer part, I mean, you could just take your fingernails and just pull whatever splinter that you got. You know, like that. I mean, look how close you have to put your fingers just to squeeze it. It's like right there. It's, yeah, basically useless. And of course on this side, oh, and by the way, these things are really hard to get out of here. And then we have our toothpick, which looks like it makes a much better knife than the knife. Yeah, go fitter. Yeah. So I'm going to use the toothpick right now and see how good and accurate it is. Well, it is getting some crud out of my teeth. Let's see. Here. Got some of it out, but not a lot. Well, I noticed this. It didn't bend. It didn't dent. It didn't mar. So if we let like this little pry tool here, I don't know how good you can see on camera here. I'm trying to get. Come on. Oh, I just hit. Like you can see, like right there at the edge, it kind of got a little banged up, and the plastic's kind of like dented and warped and stuff. I thought that's what's going to happen to this toothpick here, and it didn't. So I guess the only thing that's great out of this whole pie knife is the toothpick. But $10 for a plastic toothpick, it's crazy. Just crazy. $10 for a plastic toothpick. That's pretty much what you're paying for and what you get. Now, for this review, I personally did not brush my teeth. I made sure that I ate some food that stuck in my teeth, like some ribs. Now, I know that may seem a little bit gross, but, I try to put it in a situation like if I was actually in a survival situation. Because, if you're in a survival situation, you're not going to be worried about your oral hygiene. You're not going to say, "Ooh, you know, I'm in a survival situation. I need my toothbrush. I need my toothpaste. I need my mouthwash. What else do I need? Toothpicks. Okay, some dental floss." You're like, no, I gotta look for shelter, something to start a fire, maybe some food, some clean water, and then some help. I gotta make sure that there's no pressures around, no poisons, insects, bugs, plants, and stuff. I gotta look for medicinal medicine if there